Hello students, in this video we discuss different type of problems based on fractions. In other videos we discuss about decimals. So in last video I discussed with you about addition. In this video we start from subtraction. So let's start one question. It's a 3 whole 3 upon 4 minus 1 whole 1 upon 4. First we convert them into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 it's a 15. Minus 4 1 are 4 plus 1 5 upon 4. 4 it's a 15 minus 5 it's a 10 upon 4. We do the subtraction. Then we first, if it's possible, we can simplify them. So how we simplify? As we know, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2 5s are 10. Here 2 is a common multiple. Now we are unable to divide further. So it's a 5 upon 2, or we can write down 2 whole 1 upon 2. This is your solution of subtraction. Now what other simplified type questions are there? In simplified type question, we have common, addition and subtraction. I am picking only one question, the very first one, and rest of you, it's your work to solve in your fair copy. It's a simplified type question. Now, question says that 2 whole 1 upon 2 plus 3 whole 1 upon 6 minus 4 whole 1 upon 3. Simplify it. First, we convert them into improper fraction. It's a 5 upon 2 plus 19 upon 6 minus 4 3 12 1 13 upon 3. We take the LCM of these. So what is the LCM? It's a 6. How we find out? See, 2, 3 and 6. These 3 are the common. Means 6 is also multiple of 2, 6 is also multiple of 1 and 6 is also multiple of 3. So it's a common multiple. Least common multiple is 6. 6 divided by 2 it's a 3. 3 multiplied by 5 it's a 15. Plus 6 divided by 6 it's a 1. 1 multiplied by 19 it's a 19. Minus 3. If 6 divided by 3 we have 2. 2 13 it's a 26. Now in between these two there is a addition sign. We must add them. It's a 34 minus 26 upon 6. It's a 8 upon 6. Here again we have 2 is a common multiple. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So we can write down 4 upon 3, or it's a 1 whole 1 upon 3. So hope this one is clear to you. Likewise we have to simplify. Now multiplication and division. Multiplication. I am picking one question, the very last question of multiplication, so that you can easily understand the complete concept. See here, I am writing the question. It's a 3 whole 3 upon 14 multiplied by 2 whole 5 upon 8 multiplied by 2 whole 8 upon 9. What is our first work? We have to convert them into improper fraction. 14 3s are 42 plus 3 45. Similarly, now see here, in between each and every fraction we have multiply sign, so we have to multiply them. Remember, in this case, numerators multiplied by numerator and denominators multiplied by denominator. So we can write down likewise 45 into 21 into 26 divided by 14 into 8 into 9. Now see, this is your division sign and these two are all are multiple sign. So we can easily cut 9 1 is 9, 9 5 is 45. Remember, if there is plus or minus sign, we are unable to simplify likewise. We can simplify if and only if either it's a multiply sign or simply a whole numbers are there. Then 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 2, 13 ja. Ultimately what we can write down? We can write down 5 into this 3 into this 13 divided by, this is your 1. So 1 into 8 into 1. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 4 carry, 15 1s are 15 plus 4, 195 divided by 8. So this is your solution of multiplication. Next one is your division. Now it's a division. So I am picking the last question. It's a 6 whole 2 upon 5 divided by, remember this sign is just in front of the division sign of your fraction, 1 whole 1 upon 15. First, we try to convert them into improper fraction. 6 5 30 32 upon 5 divided by 16 upon 15. Now see very carefully. First, we write down first fraction, then convert this divide sign into multiply sign first. Then after, we reciprocate the second one, the divisor, second one, so that when we convert divide sign into multiply sign, on the same time we convert the second one, we reciprocate the second one. Now see, 16 in between these two multiply sign. So 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So we can easily write down 2 into 3 divided by 1 into 1, or ultimately we can write down 6 upon 1, that is your 6. Hope this one is clear to you. Now move to the next question. Our next problem is conversion of complex fraction into simpler fraction. What are complex fraction? If we write fraction of this type, a upon b whole divided by c upon d, means in numerator we have fraction, in denominator we have fraction. So this type of fraction is known as your complex fraction. Hope this one is clear to you. This is numerator part itself, it's a fraction. This is denominator part itself is a fraction. Remember, this main division line is little bit greater than these two part. So let's start. I am solving one very complex fraction. It's a 4 whole 2 upon 3 divided by 3 whole 1 upon 9. This is a complex question. This is your complex fraction. Now first we make them into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s, 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 14. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. Now how we convert into simpler fraction? As we know that what does this signify? This divided by this. So we can write down this as a 14 upon 3 divided by 28 upon 9. Now, as we do the division process just discussed just before of this topic, see how we solve. First, we write down 14 upon 3, change divide sign into multiply sign, and then reciprocate the second one likewise. Now it's understand 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja. It's a 3 upon 2 or 1 whole 1 upon 2. This is your complex fraction. Now next question. Our next question, find the value if there is a off sign. For example, in this question it is given 5 upon 8 of 40 kg. 5 upon 8 of 40 kg. As we know that if off is given, we can easily change this off to multiply. So it's a 5 upon 8 multiplied by 40. As we know that this is also a rational fraction, we can write down 40 upon 1. Now we can easily multiply 8, 5 is a 40. So it's a 5 into 5 by 1 into 1, it's a 25. And what is the unit? Kg. Likewise, you can find out. Move to the next question. Now we are going to solve some word problem. Word problem especially based on your common sense and how much your concept is clear. So let's start. First question. Kiran needed 3 pieces of red wool for a sock that she was knitting. Each piece had to be 5.6 meter. If she bought 4 whole 3 upon 4 meter full, how much wool did she have left over? So there are various complex numbers and complex fraction and other fractions are there. So let's start. Kiran needed 3 pieces of red wool. So what is given? Total pieces equals to 3. Length of each piece (5.6 meter). It's a 4 whole 3 upon 4 meter, or we can write down 4 for the 16, 19 upon 4 meter. Clear? So total required equals to 3 into 5 upon 6. Whenever we multiply, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 56. It's a 5 upon 2 meter. One thing is given. Now required wool 5.2 meter. If we have wool itna, then what about how much wool did she left over? Remaining wool. Equals to total wool by used wool. It's a 19 upon 4 minus 5 upon 2. We take the LCM 4 19 minus 10, it's a 9 upon 4 meter, or we can say 2 whole 1 upon 4 meter. This is your answer of this question. Next question says about some painting. What portion of a sari can Jainab paint in 1 hour if it requires 7 hours to paint the whole sari? See, time required to paint one sari equals to 7 hours. Clear? Then therefore in 1 hour portion of sari painted equals to, it's a 1 divided by 7 part. Clear? This is about 1 hour. We divide 1 by 7. Now remaining question says that in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hour. Therefore in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hour portion of sari painted equals to, we multiply this by this. 1 upon 7 multiplied 2 whole 1 upon 2. If we simplify 1 whole 7 into 5 upon 2, we can write down 5 upon 14 part. Clear? And similarly, we solve for the next question, next part. Now, next question and today's last question of this videos is a question number 10, that there are bags of rice. There in this question says that there are 2 bags of rice. One bag weighs this amount and other bag weighs this amount. If 5.7 part of the total weight is sold, find the weight of the remaining rice. So for that, first we find out the total weight of the both bags. So how we solve? Here it is given weight of first bag equals to, it's 76 whole 5 upon 6 kilogram, or we can simplify into improper fraction. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 5 41, 4 carry, 6 7 are 42, 42 plus 4 46, 461 upon 6 kilogram. Then bag weight of second bag equals to, it's 42 whole 2 upon 3, 42 whole 2 upon 3 kilogram. We can write down 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, 3 4 to 12 upon 3 kilogram. Hope this one is clear to you. Now total weight is, we first find out total weight of these two. It's 461 upon 6 plus 128 upon 3. We add them, LCM is same, 6. It's 461 plus 3 2s are, so it's 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4 1 5, 256. This one is 6 1 7, 6 5 11, 1 carry 4 to 6 7 by 6 kilogram. Hope this one is clear to you. Clear? 717 upon 6 kilogram. Now question says that if 5.7 part of this much is sold, sold weight equals to, it says that 5/7 of total weight. 5/7 of total weight. It's a 717 divided by 6. See? Okay, first we simplify this one. See, this this is divided by 3 and this also divided by 3. So what is the remaining portion? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 11 is there. 3 3s are 9. And 3 9s are 27. So ultimately what we have? We can write down 5 into 2, 3, 9 by 7 into 2. Then multiply 5 9s are 45. 4 carry 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 19. 5 2s are 10. 11 upon 14. This kilogram is sold what? So remaining rice equals to total weight. This one 717 upon 6 minus 1195 upon 4. Or we can do a better thing. We can write down this is also equals to 239 by 2. When we simplify these two, it's 239 by 2. So we can write down that 239 by 2 at this place so that it's easier for us for solving. 239 by 2, this one, whenever we simplify, it's a 4, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 3s are 1 plus, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, and 2 2s are 4, 4 7 8 minus 1195 by 4. Is this correct? I think it's not correct. See the complete solution and give me the error. Hope you can find out the error. See, this is a common error made by you people. That's why I make such mistakes over this line. This line, it's up to this one is correct. See this side, it is 14, but in place of 14 I have written 4. So this is a very common error. So use 14, and so LCM is 14. But what about the first fraction? It's 14, 2 7 ja 14, 7 multiplied by this 239. 7 9 ja 63, 6 carry, 7 3 ja 21 plus 6, 27, 2 carry, 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 1673 minus 1195, it's a 13 minus 5, 8, 6, 16 minus 9, 7, 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 1478 by 14 kilogram. You can convert into mixed fraction. Now, all of you try to complete exercise 2A in your fair copy. Clear? That's all for this video. In next video, discuss some more questions. Thank you.